Today we are going to explore how product managers can transform messy market research into clear strategic insights using NotebookLM. In most organizations, research exists everywhere: customer interviews, analyst reports, competitor analysis, internal notes. Individually, these documents are useful, but when combined intelligently, they become the foundation for strong product strategy. NotebookLM helps turn this scattered information into structured insight in minutes. Let's begin with the real challenge of product research. Collecting information is actually the easy part. The real difficulty lies in connecting the dots across dozens of different documents. Product managers often find themselves buried under stacks of reports: customer interviews, competitor websites, internal notes, analyst research, and user feedback. Reading everything manually and connecting insights across them can take days, sometimes even weeks, and that delay becomes a bottleneck for strategic decision-making. This is where NotebookLM changes the workflow completely. Instead of opening every document individually, you upload all your research into one workspace. NotebookLM reads everything you provide: PDFs, notes, reports, transcripts, and web sources. Then it synthesizes insights across those documents instantly. Think of it as a dedicated AI research assistant that understands your research material and helps extract meaningful conclusions from it. A key reason product managers trust NotebookLM is how it handles information. Traditional AI systems rely on general training data. That means they sometimes produce answers that sound convincing, but are not grounded in your research. NotebookLM works differently. It analyzes only the sources you upload and provides direct citations pointing back to those sources, making it much safer for sensitive research and internal reports. To use NotebookLM effectively, organization is critical. Many beginners make the mistake of dumping all research files into a single workspace. That approach often creates confusion. Instead, the best practice is to organize notebooks around specific research goals. For example, one notebook for customer feedback analysis, another for competitor feature comparisons, and another for market trends. This focused structure helps the AI generate clearer and more relevant insights. One powerful capability of NotebookLM is clustering scattered feedback into meaningful themes. Customer insights often come from many places: surveys, support tickets, app reviews, and interview transcripts. Individually, these comments may seem unrelated, but when NotebookLM analyzes them together, it identifies recurring patterns. Different comments about navigation, confusing interfaces, or hidden features can all be grouped into a single insight, like user interface usability issues. NotebookLM can also dramatically simplify competitive analysis. Product managers often gather competitor information from websites, product documentation, industry articles, and product reviews. Normally, this information must be manually compiled into spreadsheets. NotebookLM can automatically analyze these sources and create structured comparison tables. This instantly produces side-by-side evaluations of competitor features, pricing, strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities. Another powerful feature is source-grounded chat. Instead of just searching documents manually, you can ask analytical questions directly. For example, which product features are most frequently praised in competitor reviews? Or what customer pain points appear repeatedly in interviews? NotebookLM answers these questions while referencing the exact documents where the insights came from. This creates a dynamic research exploration process. Market research documents are often dense and unstructured. NotebookLM can convert that raw text into structured strategic data. It extracts important variables from long documents and organizes them into comparison tables. For example, it can extract pricing tiers, target customers, product capabilities, and differentiators directly from competitor sources. What used to require hours of spreadsheet work can now happen automatically. Another unique capability is audio overviews. Instead of reading long research reports, NotebookLM can convert dense research into conversational summaries. These summaries function like a short executive podcast discussing your documents. A 50-page market report can quickly become a 10-minute strategic briefing. This makes it much easier to share insights with leadership teams. The quality of insights improves dramatically when you guide the AI step by step. Instead of asking a vague question like "summarize the research," it is better to structure the analysis. First, identify the main themes in customer interviews. Then determine the top problems users face. And finally, explore potential product improvements that address those problems. This layered prompting approach is called prompt chaining. NotebookLM is also extremely effective for analyzing macro market trends. Industry reports are often large and complex. Instead of reading each report individually, you can upload multiple reports into one notebook. The AI then scans them all together and identifies major trends across the market. The result is a consolidated trend analysis that highlights patterns emerging across different sources. At this point, we can see the full workflow. First, collect research materials such as competitor websites, analyst reports, and user interviews. Second, upload them into focused notebooks. Third, guide the AI to generate summaries and insights. Fourth, ask analytical questions through chat. And finally, generate structured outputs like tables, reports, or audio briefings. This workflow converts raw research into strategy quickly and systematically. Ultimately, product research is often messy and complex. Important insights are hidden across dozens of scattered documents. NotebookLM helps transform that chaos into clarity. What once required hours of manual reading and synthesis can now happen in minutes. For modern product managers, mastering tools like NotebookLM is becoming an essential skill for turning information into strategy.